How to install apps on iPhone 12. So if you're using an iPhone 12 and you have a favorite application you want to install on your iPhone, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if you're done with this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Installing an application on iPhone or iPhone 12 can only follow through a certain approach, which is through the App Store. So here, I will show you how you can install application on App Store, and this works on iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro, iPhone 12 mini, and iPhone 12 Pro Max. First, you need to go ahead and open the App Store on your iPhone. Once you open the App Store on your iPhone, make sure you sign into your iCloud account. So if you've not signed into your iCloud account, then you want to sign into your iCloud account. Literally, when you sign into your iCloud account on your iPhone settings, you'll be prompted to select the iCloud account whenever you open the App Store and you want to download apps on your iPhone for the first time from the App Store. Now, once you've signed into the App Store on your iPhone, you need to click on the spotlight search at the bottom right and search for the name of the application you want to download. So just come to this box and then type in the name of the application you want to download on your App Store. So, or you browse through the apps category. Then you can see we have top games, action, board, adventure, card, casual, music, racing, and then the rest of them like that. So you can just scroll through the category to find the application you want to download on your iPhone. Once you find the app you want to download on your iPhone, just go ahead and click on it and then go ahead and tap the get button. Once you hit the get button, hang on, then you should support that says install, then tap the install button. Once you tap the install button, you'll be prompted to confirm your Apple ID password. Then wait while the application is installing. So while this particular application is installing, you can just exit the page and then go ahead and search for another application you want to install on your iPhone. So if the app is paid, then you should see the cost of the application here. And if it is free or you need to upgrade later, then you should see the application without price. You see that? Then you can also go to another category or search for the app name you want to download. Let's say you want to download WhatsApp on your iPhone, just search for the WhatsApp app name here. Then search for it. So it could be WhatsApp Business or the normal WhatsApp. Then go ahead and tap the get button to download the application. So that is basically how to install apps on iPhone 12. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.